As with every other sexual disorder in India, even premature ejaculation is considered to be a taboo subject, and people suffering from it are afraid to go to a doctor or discuss it in public because they are worried about the ridicule they might face for it. But सच तो ये है कि more than 30 to 40% of male population in India have at one time or another faced problems of premature ejaculation in their lifetime. Now, because of its taboo nature, most people still don't know what premature ejaculation actually is, and because of that, they don't even know if they are suffering from it. Premature ejaculation occurs when a man ejaculates very quickly and doesn't have enough control on his orgasms. ऐसे केसेस में लोगों को sensations की awareness कम होती है, and because of that, they have very little warning of their orgasms. This might lead to lower sexual satisfaction for the person suffering from it and also for their partners. Also, premature ejaculation can occur because of mental and physical problems. Well, there is no permanent cure for premature ejaculation, but there are some remedies and exercises that might help people to prolong their ejaculation time, and that is what we are going to look forward in today's video. Number 1, masturbation. Those who are suffering from premature ejaculation might be suffering from it just because they don't know about their own sexual organ enough or lack practice. Teenagers, for example, masturbation के through ही अपनी body के responses और sensations को जानते हैं और समझते हैं. But there are men who tend not to masturbate for their own personal reasons and then dive straight into sex. So the physical activity of sex without a good practice of masturbation might be a little overwhelming and overstimulating for them, and that will eventually lead to premature ejaculation. It is important to explore the sensations and pleasure that you feel leading up to an orgasm through masturbation, so you can have a better control on your orgasm. One can also masturbate 1 or 2 hours before sex so that it is difficult to orgasm during sexual activity due to their body's refractory period. Number 2, pelvic exercises. Research shows that several pelvic floor exercises practiced regularly has helped men with premature ejaculation to control their orgasms. Pelvic floor exercises help in training the muscles involved in ejaculation, and in muscle की strength बढ़ा के आप अपने orgasm पे अच्छा control पा सकते हैं. Pelvic floor muscles are the same muscles that are responsible for cutting off the urine flow. So you can find the right muscles by cutting off the urine flow midstream. Once you have found the pelvic floor muscles, you need to start the exercise by sitting still or lying down and contracting the muscle for 3 seconds and then releasing it for 3 seconds. And continue doing this for 10 times in a row. For good results, do this 3 times in a day and slowly increase the duration of contraction. As your muscles become stronger, it will help you with increasing the time of your climax. Number 3, anesthetic creams and sprays. आप बहुत सारे anesthetic creams and sprays use कर सकते हैं जो एक numbing agent की तरह काम करता है and will delay the sensations around your genitalia, hence delaying your climax. Apply the cream or spray on your penis 15 to 20 minutes before the sex and then thoroughly wash it off 5 minutes before sex for best results. Although these over-the-top sprays and creams are mostly harmless, in some cases they might cause some side effects such as mild pain, loss of sensitivity, or a burning sensation. We highly recommend consulting a doctor for such a delicate organ and only using their prescribed creams and sprays. Number 4, condoms. Many condom manufacturers make thicker condoms or condoms with numbing agents in them, which helps in dulling the sensations temporarily, so जो आपके orgasm का time है वो increase हो जाता है. In extreme cases, people can even combine thicker latex condoms with anesthetic creams and sprays to avoid premature ejaculation. But people should know that both of these are only temporary measures to solve the problem of premature ejaculation. Number 5, physical techniques. There are several physical and sexual techniques you can use to delay your orgasm. For example, the squeeze technique. It is when one person holds and squeezes the shaft of the penis right before they are about to orgasm. This exercise, if done regularly, will help a person understand the sensation of orgasm and learn how to control it. The stop-start method is exactly what the name stands as. इस technique में when you understand that you are about to ejaculate during the act of sex, just stop and pause. till the feeling of orgasm fades away, and then continue again after stimulating the penis. Keep doing this and it might not only help you in the short term, but in the long term as well with premature ejaculation. See, premature ejaculation बहुत ही common है, but कभी-कभी it can be caused because of other underlying issues, and if it keeps getting worse, you should definitely consult a doctor and get a full diagnosis on your condition. You can tell us about myths and lies you have heard about premature ejaculation, and let us know if any of these remedies and exercises we talked today helped you. And finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Traya for more videos like these.